friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are restocking my fridge, cleaning some fruits, cleaning my kitchen. I mean, just doing all the things. So I hope that today you get motivated to do something in your home, and I hope that you enjoy.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries when you're with me. Let every wave gently kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days. Wilderness, we give you our mess. We're so blessed to.
Okay, so as you can tell, my kitchen was a complete disaster. That's my everyday life. Nothing is perfect around here. But I wanted to let you guys know that the chicken and all that stuff is in my sink because lately this day I did groceries. That's why you're going to see restocking and seasoning and all kind of stuff, because lately I've been getting the meat while it's coming straight from the store. I season it, I clean it, I season it, and I pack it in freezer bags. That way, when I come home from work or come home from a busy day, I can just take that out. I know it's seasoned, and then all I got to do is make sides, and it just makes life so much easier. So I encourage you guys to try it. It is a lot of work. It's a lot of prep work, but I mean, you're already prepped from doing groceries, so you might as well go ahead and season all the meats together. You have all the things out one time. So it's been working for me. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys.
Anchor our hearts and give us a fresh start. Wilderness, we've come for you. Like feathers in the wind, we dance along. No urge of acting strong. Wilderness, we give you our mess. We're so
inside. Can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?
She came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring one of my t-shirts so it smells like her.
Hey guys, so originally I was just gonna go ahead and grab the strawberries and kind of clean them, just rinse them off and put them away. I was just being lazy and I was tired at this point. But then I started looking at them and I was like, yeah, they look a little funky. So I went ahead and did it the right way. I added vinegar and water, put the grapes and the strawberries. I let them soak for a little bit and then I put them away in that little green container you see in there. But I forgot to record that part. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and got a little bit of motivation to get something done. Alrighty guys, I love you so much. Have a great day. Bye.